Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a second account in Brawl Stars. So for that, first of all, what you'll have to do is you'll have to launch your Brawl Star account and then log out from your primary account. So go to the top three dots bar here and then go to Supercell ID, and then you'll have to navigate to the cog settings button, which is a cog icon. Press on that and press log out. So after logging out, it will take you to the home page where the game will ask you to log in or play without a Supercell ID. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to choose play without Supercell ID, and then you'll have to complete the tutorial from the beginning and play a practice match with the bots. So after you complete the match, you will be here. As you can see, this is a brand new ID that I've created. I just wrote my Supercell ID name. I haven't created an account yet. So to create the account completely, what you'll have to do is from here, then you'll have to press here and then go to Supercell ID at the bottom, and then here it will say what Supercell ID can do to you. So you can press next or you can press skip. So at the below you can see register a Supercell ID or login to a Supercell ID. As you can see at the top, it is my primary account is here as well. So simply press register a Supercell ID, and then you'll have to use a valid email address to receive verification code. So press continue. So here what you have to do is you'll have to type your email ID and then press confirm, press create, and then it will go to verify, and then there you'll have to copy and paste the 6-digit code that will be sent to your email, and then simply you'll have to choose a player ID and then confirm, and this is how you can create a secondary Brawl Stars account. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.